welcome to another episode of Interviews with Dina. Today we have some very special topics. We have the hydrosphere and psychology. Now you might think, what do those have to do with each other? We actually have a very special guest today to tell us just that. Please give a warm welcome to Nadine Jalal. Thank you. I'm Nadine Jalal, a former psychologist in Raleigh, North Carolina. And I'm here to talk to you guys, obviously, about the hydrosphere and psychology. First, let's start with some obvious definitions. Psychology is the scientific study of the human mind and its functions, mainly the causes of behavior. Now, the hydrosphere is the movement of water around the Earth. Now, Nadine, I have a few specific questions for you. What do psychological medications have to do with the hydrosphere? Dina, that is actually a very interesting topic. Some psychological cases usually result in the need of prescribed medicine. In order for the medicine to work, it's got to have water in it. Why? Water is what helps the movement of blood in your body actually get to flowing. Therefore, in order to get your medicine to go to the regions of your body where it's needed, you need the water to jumpstart its journey. Interesting. Now tell me a little bit about the connections between the brain and the hydrosphere. Yes, the hydrosphere and the brain. Now this is a topic I could go on for days about, but for the sake of your viewers, I am going to summarize it. Water is a basic essential of life. Your body's source of energy is water and food. If you don't get the amount of water you need in a day, you become dehydrated. Not only does your body need water, but also your brain. What happens to things that get dried up? They obviously shrivel up. That's also what your brain results to when you become dehydrated. When things shrivel up, they get smaller. You're literally losing brain cells as you go days without water. Your brain cells need a balance of water and other elements in order to work efficiently. Without that balance, the brain cell will obviously lose efficiency. Dehydration can impair short-term memory function and the recall of long-term memory. Your attention span decreases as you continue to be dehydrated. Always remember to drink a glass of water when you wake up, because the longest period of time spent without water in your day is when you are asleep. As you exhale, you release moisture, so you are losing water in your sleep, and that is why you need to drink extra water in the morning to make up for all of that water you've lost as you slept the night. Hydrosphere affect mental illnesses at all? Actually, mental illnesses can be prevented by water. You can help eliminate the chances of developing a mental disorder by simply staying hydrated enough for your brain to function properly. Dehydration can cause excessive anger, anxiety, and even to the point of depression. Dehydration simply disarrays your brain. I've gotten all the scientific stuff out of the way. Tell me, are there other uses of the hydrosphere towards psychology? Not only can water be used for drinking, but also for relaxation. If you're like me, you like to hear the rain dripping outside your window as you fall asleep. I also have a miniature waterfall type item. The water simply travels from rock to rock and creates a beautiful, relaxing mood in my mind. Also, research concludes that the ocean offers opportunities to de-stress, secure a sense of balance, and relax and recharge. Thank you for having me today on your show. It was such a pleasure teaching everyone about the hydrosphere and psychology, and I really hope I can do it again sometimes. Bye! Thank you so much, Nadine, for coming to my show today. I really learned a lot, and I hope you guys did too. Bye, and see you on the next episode of Interviews with Dina. Welcome to another episode of Interviews with Dina. Today, we have some very special topics. We have, obviously, it's your butter? Now, but what? Butter, why butter?